What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I've got two boxes here, long awaited items that I've been waiting for, and then we're going to do a review video shortly after this. So hope you guys stay tuned to my channel and wait for those to come out. So let's get the magic. We'll use this today. My nice little sharp little knife here, and we'll get this big box right here knocked out. I know that's a new kind of place to do my unboxings, but and also want to go ahead and pop up right here on the screen the people that helped out with my buy me a coffee, and that everything little helps. I've got what I've been going for brewing over there. I've got some mead coming. Finally got me a 5-gallon fermentant jug. So I've got some cherry mead going. And then I got a 1-gallon honey mead, regular honey mead going. But get this out of the box. Big box. Throw that over there. Came in a nice big plastic bag. Grab something here so I can help pull this thing out. So I got a 4-man hot tent. Don't know the brand on it. We can probably unzip it here. So it comes with a nice little bag, canvas little bag. I think this weighs 5 pounds. Got 2 extra clips here. Nice little zipper. So got some tent stakes. Some nice aluminum tent stakes with some guidelines. And seems like decent paracord guideline, a little slippery, but we'll see how that works. Like I said, this is just unboxing. I guess I'm just trying to throw in a little, there, that's what I was looking for. See if it's got a name on here. Nope, it just shows how to put it together. It does have a 1 inner tent with it, but it don't have a name. So we'll call this the Snow White. So, and then like I said, it's got the little clips to help put it back together once you got it rolled up and stuffed back in its bag. And then you can tighten it up. So, a little carrying case bag. So, we'll get that set up here soon. So get the knife back out. I know my seat's a little squeaky. Get this other box up. And this is what I've been waiting for. We've got to put another edge on this thing. This tape is kicking its butt. Not like me to have a dull knife. Foam. Instructions. This is a now names are going to just slip out of my head. This goes on the hot tent, and your deal goes through that. Pull that out for right now. We'll look at it. Get it pulled out here. Finally got me a hot stove. Wood burning stove for a hot tent. So it's got your shelves on the side, and all your pipes are inside. So, little door. Got your stuff. All your stove pipes. And I think I did see something else in there. There it is. Popped its head out right after I stuck that in there. It comes with a little ash rake. That's what I was looking for. And it's got a, I'll stick that down in my boot. So we'll have to get this set up so I can get the new factory burnt out of it. I guess I gotta get the rest of the pipes out of it. Get the grate. Get the glass put in. Toast my plastic. This time I'm doing an unboxing in my room so the old lady don't get upset. Get all the trash in the living room again. Try not to break it. There we go. Set that down, get this piece off, set that there. We'll burn that plastic off later. Plastic tape off later. That's the whole point of a burning. But you got your ash grate. And this is what I was going to pull out, put in the door. It's the glass. Yeah, finally got my wood burning stove from a hot tent, because I've got two hot tents now. I got a 1-man and a 4-man. So yeah. So yeah, other than that, we'll get all this put back away. Like I said, I wanted to give a shout out to 2 people. I'll let them roll across again to help donate to my channel. And then other than that, I guess we'll leave this a short one. So, actually, yeah, we'll leave this a short one. So, other than that, if you like what you've seen, hit that like button. If you want to see more of this, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next one. Later.